All too often, as people age and approach the end of their lives, they may become vulnerable to undue influence by others who are trying to take advantage of them. The court in Estate of Sharis considered what constitutes undue influence. In 2003, Richard Spinelli separated from his wife and moved in with Alice Sharis, his 87-year-old grandmother, and her husband, Peter Sharis. Spinelli remained in the Sharis home until Peter died in 2009, and Alice died a year later in 2010. By 2006, Spinelli had control of the couple's checking account, signing Peter's name to 119 checks. In 2007, Spinelli prepared a durable power of attorney, giving Spinelli broad powers over the couple's funds. Alice signed it. In 2008, Spinelli asked an attorney to draft a will for Alice. The attorney had a brief phone call with Alice but never met her in person. The attorney then assigned the drafting of the will to an associate who neither met nor spoke to Alice. Instead, the associate emailed with Spinelli. The will provided that if Alice predeceased Peter, Peter would receive all Alice's assets. If Alice survived Peter, then at her death, Spinelli would receive the house, property, stocks, and securities. Her checking and savings accounts were to be distributed among her 3 daughters, and the residuary was to be distributed among the daughters and Spinelli. Once the will was drafted, the attorney again spoke with Alice by telephone for perhaps 2 minutes. Neither the attorney nor the associate reviewed the terms of the will with Alice. Spinelli took Alice to Peter's nursing home. There, nursing home employees witnessed Alice execute the will. Spinelli waited outside the room, but nearby. The staff saw nothing suggesting that Alice was acting against her own free will. After Alice executed the will, Spinelli opened his own checking account and trust for Peter and Alice. In the 2 years up to Alice's death, Spinelli transferred more than $71,000 from the couple's accounts to the trust account and had spent much of it. The durable power of attorney, Alice's will, and the trust account were all hidden from Alice's daughters and other family members until after Alice died. Alice's daughter Florence contested the will for undue influence. The trial court found that Spinelli's explanation of his control over the couple's finances wasn't credible and disqualified the will. Spinelli appealed.